The point P lies on the unit circle in quadrant 3, making an angle of measure B measured in radians with the positive x-axis. A, draw a diagram that represents this situation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an axis. I'm going to draw a unit circle. Okay, so there's my circle on the x-axis, and then we know that the angle, the point P, has to be in quadrant 3. So remember, my quadrants start in the top right with quadrant 1, and then this is quadrant 2, and then this is quadrant 3, and this is quadrant 4. So point P, let me use a different color. Is going to be right here. So the point P lies on the unit circle in quadrant 3, making an angle of measure B. So when they say that the angle is B, they're telling you that this angle right here has a measure of B with the positive x-axis. So there's your answer to A. A was just simply draw a diagram. I just did that. B, use the cosine function of cosine and sine functions to express the coordinates of this point here, point P, in terms of angle B. All right, the key is that this is a unit circle. So if it's a unit circle, going back to our notes, we know that the x value is the cosine of the angle. So in this case, it's the cosine of B. And we know that the y value goes with the sine of the angle. So in this case, we're calling the angle B. So the coordinates are going to look like this. Cosine B, comma, sine B. Okay, this right here are the coordinates. If we knew what angle B is, if we knew the measure of angle B, we could figure out the x value by taking the cosine of that angle, and we could figure out the y value by taking the sine of the angle. So the coordinates in general are going to look like this, okay? And that is it for number 6.